I'm Tara Monster, and I like to make things. Today, I'm back in my shop printing, and I'm going to do 2 designs for you. One of them is my best-selling Murder Paws cat, and the other one is a prankster octopus pretending to be a shark. Pretty silly. Let's get crafting. I had a bit of an eventful evening last night. I was in the ER till almost 1 a.m. I'm okay. I just have been having a lot of pain in my calf. It pretty much feels like I've got a Charlie horse all the time, and it wasn't getting better. I was basically exhibiting all the same symptoms of having a blood clot, and my partner's dad almost died from a blood clot, so he was pretty insistent that we went to the ER last night to get an ultrasound just to make sure that, I didn't die in my sleep or something. So that happened. It turns out I am okay. I just have a really bad infection under my skin. The whole area is red and sore, and you can feel like this big ball kind of under my skin, and that's why it felt like it might have been a blood clot. And I'm on antibiotics now. Should start feeling better in a few days, but I am kind of limping around a little bit. It is a very strange thing to happen. Nothing like this has ever happened to me before. So today's screen printing hopefully will be pretty short so that I can get back off my feet and rest, because it is hurting quite a bit right now. Anyway, that's what's going on in my life. And well, that's just what happens when you're a small business owner. If you're sick or you're injured, orders still have to go out. You can't just take a day off like you would if you had a normal job. So I'm going to power through it. I'm super grateful and happy to have the orders. Don't get me wrong on that. But yeah, going to the ER during COVID times was kind of a stressful experience. However, I do think that the hospital staff did a really good job of keeping everything sanitary, and everybody was wearing masks the whole time, including my partner and I. And yeah, I think I'm going to be okay. So without further ado, let's get to the screen printing. Okay, and now we're all set up over here on my favorite press. This is my Riley Hopkins press that I got from silkscreensupplies.com, and I have had it for probably about 10 years now, and it's still going strong. It's got the micro registration, everything you need, and since it was a tabletop model, it was a lot more affordable than most other presses with these capabilities. And now I'm going to start the print. The first step is to bring down the screen. And you can see here that it's got the Murder Paws design. Murder Paws, I'm a scary little cat. Kind of fun. And we're going to put some ink in the screen. Got my squeegee and my ink. Mix it up real good. Whap. Everything's better with sound effects. Ready for our first print. I'm going to flood the screen really good. And there he goes. And then I always do a second pass. Right. And there he is. Murder Paws. You can see why my cat lovers love this design so much. It was inspired by my own cat, Chibra. She's an indoor cat, but whenever she sees a bird outside, she just goes nuts. And she makes this crazy, chattering sound. I've never had a cat before that does that, and it sounds pretty intense. And that's why she's the murder paws. And now we're gonna do the octopus pretending to be a shark on some Mets shirts. And yeah, these orders are shipping out today. Pretty excited. I got I got 4 orders in my Etsy store over the last 2 days, and then a 3rd order through my revivalinc.com website. And now you can see the platen was actually moved way out for the murder paws print. So in order to line up the octo shark, I move it in, like, see, it just slides in and out. So that way you can get the perfect lineup. Yeah, and he goes right about here. He goes on the side of the shirt. And the most important thing to remember after moving your platen is to lock it back in place. Yes. All right, and then we're gonna do that trick where I grab the squeegee from Murder Paws here, and I bring it over and do the octo shark with it. Flood it really good. And again, 2 passes. Voila! There he is. Isn't that cute? He's just like pretending to be this little shark and like messing with the guys in the boat. This one sells really well in the summertime. I've got a couple more of these to do, so I'm just gonna bang them out real quick. I've gotten pretty fast at this over the years. When my assistant's here, we can easily print a couple hundred shirts in an hour. Especially if it's the same design. However, if we're switching designs, it does take a lot more time because setup. Line it up with my mark. Now that the ink is in the screen really well, I only have to do it once. And this is the size medium. Move him down a little bit. Octo Sharky. Ba-ba. And now to clean the screen, I always just put a piece of paper down so the ink doesn't get all over the platen. Put the design down, grab my scraper. I'm gonna finish cleaning this screen and then go rest my leg. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel where you can get a new video by me every day. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye. I'm gonna finish cleaning this screen, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube. So, wait, ta-ta for now. I'm gonna finish cleaning this screen. I'm gonna clean this. Bye.